Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. So this is the third installment of my unboxing series of these particular products, and this is the box that I was waiting for, that I was talking about in my previous video. But this inside here is the final item that I had ordered in this magnificent green caviar from Chanel. Got my box cutter, and I'm gonna open this on the bottom side here because the other side has my address. Alright, let me carefully open it. Alright, so here is the inside. Let's see, so here is the paperwork, is my receipt, and here is the item. And the nice thing about Herschleifers, if you hadn't seen the name on the box, so I got this item from Herschleifers, is that they give you the white sleeve on the box with every item that you order. And I think that's really cool because I usually have to ask the SA if I were to get it at a Chanel boutique, either at like a Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, or even a standalone boutique, if they would be willing to send this with the item. And I just prefer having this because all my SLGs are, you know, stacked on top of each other in their boxes. And yeah, it just makes it easier to find what you're looking for. But unfortunately, most of the times, or some of the times, they don't give it to you. And so, anyway, so here is the tag. I'll show this to you in a little bit. And as you also saw, oh, here is the care instructions. As you also saw that in my previous unboxing, the stuff that Lauren got me, there were no tags, but here I got the tag. Alright, so here, let me open it up. Ooh. So you can see a hint of green. Ta-da! Alright, so here is the key case in that beautiful, beautiful green. There you go. This is amazing. And so I'm currently using a black one, and I just fell in love with these key cases. And so, yeah, this I'm definitely gonna use at some point when I get tired of my black one. So here is the authenticity card, and this is all wrapped up. So it is in a, if I could focus it, it's in a light gold hardware. And here is the inside, and there is the authenticity sticker right there. Now I use this only for like spare cards and like loyalty cards, my Costco, Sam's Club card. I don't put my keys in here because it is still pretty flat, and I usually just have this, my flat card case, and my phone in my pockets. And that usually is enough to hold, you know, the amount of cards that I need and cash whenever I do go out and I just don't feel like bringing a bag with me. So here this is again, and let me quickly show you guys everything in this green that I got. I'll have to take everything out. Let me see. So I'll speed through this part. But
I'll try my best to go as fast as I can. Okay. The green is just so pretty. Alright, have one more in this big box. more prepared. Okay, so I got them all out. Alright,
So, as you saw, I have the key case. There you go. And I have the flat card case. There you go. And I also have this longer flat wallet. Okay. And then I just recently got this passport cover. Alright. And finally, I got the extra large card case. Now it's going to be impossible to show all these in one picture, but let me try. There you go. So there are the 5 pieces that are in my collection of this beautiful green. Alright, and I'm just looking at the different leathers and make sure I put each one of these in its right spot. And I think the only difference, so all of these pieces are pretty much in a, let me give you a close-up. You can see the leather, the pebbles are very flat. Okay, so it looks like all of them are pretty much the same, except for this one. This one, let me show you an up-close picture of it. It'll focus. You can see that this leather is more, what should we call it? More rugged? No, more not as flat. Here, let me show you these together. You see? So it looks like this one has just not been pressed as much, probably, compared to all the other pieces. But the leather seems to be in the same color, which is that amazing emerald green. And to be honest with you, I don't know if these are, I don't know if there's like glitter in there or anything, but this is considered a, what's the color called? Let me see. Okay, so here is the tag for the long wallet. You can see that the color says shiny grained calf. It's shiny grained calf skin with gold hardware. So yeah, so they're all light gold hardware, but I don't know if these are, if this is called the shimmery one, whatever you call it. I know I had a black card case like this, and it was definitely, you can see glitter, but I don't know if this is just like a metallic green as far as the paint is concerned. I don't think there's glitter in there. But yeah, I'm just so excited, and I also do have another one of these that I am planning to give my mom. I did originally get 2 of these, but she didn't want a flat, small card case that she would lose in her bag. Okay, so I guess that does it for this video. Here, let me give you guys the codes as much as I have for them. So the flat card case, okay, sorry. So this one, if you can, the flat card case, here is the tag for that. If it'll focus. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, I suggest contacting your SA or the 1-800 number so they could find the pieces for you as soon as possible, because these are selling out. Okay, so this piece, the long wallet, here is the code for that. Okay. And this piece, the key case, let me show you the tag for that. There you go. Take a screenshot of that. And unfortunately, I do not know the code for this one or this one, because Lauren got these outside of the United States and they don't give you the tags, unfortunately. So that is all the information that I am able to give you. Hopefully it's enough to try to find these pieces. And let me just give you a quick rundown of these numbers. So I'm covering my my card number, but here is, okay, so this number, the first one, 18S, that's the year and the season. The first A number is the style number of the item, and I believe these two go together for the color. So let's say you're interested in this one but you want a black one. All you have to do is find, you know, the A number for this piece, and you can find another black SLG, and you can give the 800 number person those numbers to try and find you the color and, you know, the style that you're interested in. So yeah, hopefully this video helped, and hopefully you guys are still able to find some of these green SLGs, or even like the bags, because they're just amazing. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with this video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and yeah, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.